Hello, student. Welcome to the Allen County Virtual Academy. Your parent or guardian should have called the appropriate school for you to be enrolled into the Edgenuity Virtual Academy. As a student, you should check your Allen County email address regularly. The password is the first 3 letters of your birth month and your lunch number. If you do not know this information, you are to contact the library media specialist. For the middle school, it is cynthia.stovall@allen.kyschools.us. The phone number is 270-622-7140. You will receive an email from Dr. Michael Kello. Your Allen County Virtual Learning Academy document should be in that email. This document has all of your Edgenuity login information. Please go to the URL on the document and log in. You can change your password, but make sure it is in a safe place. Please take notice of the Allen County expectations for the Virtual Academy, and also take notice of the virtual resources that could be helpful to you. This is your homepage with all of your courses you are enrolled in. Notice your completion percentage and if you are behind or on task. Every day you should be on task, not behind, because this affects your grade. Notice the little circle icon in the upper right-hand corner of each class. This is your course map for each class. Please view this as a planner. It tells you which tasks are due on which days. Plus it tells you approximately how long each task should take. Some tasks take longer than others. Every task counts towards your grade. If you click on the envelope in the upper right-hand corner, this sends an email to your instructor for this course. Just click on the new message, select the recipient, fill out the subject, and type your message, and send. This is very, very important. You must log out of the program to save your work. Do not just shut your computer down. Shutting your computer down will not save your work. Your virtual learning teacher can reset any of your assignments, quizzes, or tests. You need to contact them directly by phone or email. Please be specific on the subject, date, assignment, and grade when you email them or call them. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.